Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to share with you some of the shopping that I did at a very well-known brand, Mont Blanc. And I got two items, so we will be unboxing and reviewing them as we go. So without any hesitation, without any delays, let's get started. So first of all, I just want to show you the bag in which I bought this. I got this from the Mont Blanc outlet store. As you can see, a very nicely finished bag. You got some very nice handle grips, and it just signifies quality from the get-go. Inside we have the two items that I purchased. We'll be talking about them in a second. You can see it says montblanc.com, their website, on the inside. Kind of a trend these days to put the website at the bottom. What else do we have at the bottom? We just have the Mont Blanc logo, the name, and then we can put this aside. Very nice bag, definitely reused for gifting or whatever reason. Okay, so we have two items in front of us, and I'm pretty sure you guys know what's inside them, but let's begin with this packet first. Put this to the side. What is inside this? So this comes in their premium cardboard packaging, kind of a cream white color, and you can see this has the Mont Blanc logo, the name on the front, serial numbers. Let's take it out. What's inside? So this is the casing. This is actually a wallet. So this is the packaging for the wallet. It has a black cardboard design, and you can see some very nice fine patterning with the Mont Blanc classic star logo at the bottom right. It's sandwiched between, so there's two pieces of cardboard sandwiched together. You have a cream lining in between them. So you just open it up. Inside you have the wallet. Before you take the wallet out, it actually comes in this nice, I don't know the material. I think it's like a linen, nice linen packaging with some drawstrings. Open it up. But before I take it out, let's see what else is in here. So you have a service guide for the wallet, which is interesting. It is a leather wallet, so maybe this is just some information about how to handle the leather, how to make sure it does not get damaged. Basically, there are products out there that serve to polish and refinish your leather and prevents it from damaging from humidity, and prevents it from fading. So this service guide is just some information on how you can maintain the look of your leather shiny and new as always. So interesting thing, I've never seen this before in any other brand, but they give you a service guide. Amazing. All right, what else? So let's take this out. So you have, this is the wallet I purchased, guys. And as you know, I'm big on RFID protection. This wallet comes with RFID protection. Mont Blanc Shield is their proprietary name, and that is why I purchased it. Otherwise, I would not have. So let's see what it actually says in here. Chips embedded in your credit cards don't contain personal data. Mont Blanc Shield technology incorporated in a gold-colored pocket lining increases the protection against unauthorized reading, copying, tampering. So the gold lining inside, I can't actually see it, but they're saying there's gold lining in here that prevents unauthorized copying of material. I'm not sure if they're referring to this card or they're referring to the wallet itself. They might be referring to the wallet itself, but like, do I have to keep this with me? Not sure. Pocket lining. Well, I'm pretty sure there is some lining in there, so that might be how it's protecting. Oh, there it is. So no, actually that's not it. Struggling to find it, but I'm pretty sure it's there. So we'll just keep it for now, and let's talk about the wallet itself for a second. See, so this also fell out of it, just a piece of cardboard, nothing special. So as you can see, this is a very nicely finished wallet, very well made, as you can expect from, I would not expect anything less from Mont Blanc. This is a petrol blue color. It kind of looks green, sometimes it looks blue, sometimes it looks black. And as you can see, as it plays with the light, it gives you many different shades. And petrol blue is what they say it is, and I agree with that. You have the Mont Blanc star logo at the bottom, and then you have some nice stitching. All the threads are very well stitched, as you can see. I don't see any defects or any problems. Feels very nice to the touch. When you open it up, typical wallet fashion, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 slots for holding your cards. That we already discussed is their RFID protection information. This, let's see what that is. Contains something in here. Cholada, I don't know what that is. Maybe a serial number or something. So this, when you open this up, is telling you that this is part of their Mont Blanc leather collection. Best traditional craftsmanship, I agree. And just some information, basically. A very nice black pattern card with the silver Mont Blanc insignia and lettering, printed in Germany. Okay, so put this to the side. What else? So this is also another piece of cardboard in there. Let's take all these out and see how it feels. So very nice leather. Oh, there you go. So that's the gold lining that we're talking about, as you can see. So this protects you from RFID theft. See, all of these are lined. So as long as your card is in here, you are protected from RFID theft. Okay, now if you place it here, I don't know, maybe you're not as protected. They specifically want you to keep your cards in these slots over here. There's some additional cardboard pieces in here. You can just take those out. Some nice patterning on the inside. I don't know what that pattern is, but it looks like some snakes and some leaves, I believe. But as you can see, look at every single stitch. Compare these with, you know, counterfeit wallets. Counterfeit wallets will definitely have some problems with stitching. They will be uneven in stitching, and you won't get as good of quality as you would on this one. And it feels just so soft and nice, you can tell. And yeah, so this can store all your cash. Not that a lot of people carry cash these days, but if you want to keep some cash, you can put that in here. You have 8 slots for the card, which is what I'm most interested in. And there's some inner lining to store your ID and non-critical stuff on the inner side. So very spacious, very nice. I just want to see how it handles actual cards when you put in all of them. I don't have them here, can't show them for obvious reasons, but it'll be interesting to see how it performs in real everyday life, constantly taking it out, putting it back into the back pocket, putting it back into your bag. And let's see how the wear and tear on this goes. Typically leather tends to crack, but this is Mont Blanc, so not sure how this would go. But anyway, so that is the wallet that I purchased, and let's move on to part 2 of the video.